Unraveling the Phrase, Hotbed of, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. We are going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, hotbed of. This is a phrase you might come across in books, news articles, or everyday conversations, and it's a great one to add to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. The phrase, hotbed of, is a metaphorical expression used to describe a place or environment where a particular activity, behavior, or set of conditions is intensively fostered or flourishing. It's often used to talk about negative or undesirable activities, but it can also be used in a more neutral or positive context. For example, a city might be described as a hotbed of crime if there is a lot of criminal activity happening there. A particular community might be a hotbed of innovation, where new and creative ideas are constantly being developed. The word hotbed itself is a compound word made up of hot and bed. In agriculture, a hotbed is a bed of soil enclosed in glass used for forcing or for raising seedlings. So, the idea is that this is a place where things grow very quickly and intensely. When we use hotbed in a metaphorical sense, we are comparing a place or environment to this kind of intensely nurturing ground, suggesting that it encourages rapid growth or development of whatever activity or condition we are talking about. Now, let's look at some examples of how you can use hotbed of in sentences. The university is a hotbed of intellectual activity, with students and professors constantly engaging in thoughtful discussions. That neighborhood is known as a hotbed of political activism, where residents are not afraid to speak out for what they believe in. The online forum has become a hotbed of conspiracy theories, with users spreading false information. When using hotbed of, make sure that it makes sense in the context of fostering or encouraging growth or development. It's a strong phrase that conveys intensity, so you want to use it when you are talking about an environment that is truly conducive to whatever activity or condition you are describing. And there you have it. You now know how to use and understand the phrase, hotbed of. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really solidify your understanding. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.